going to have to download the Binance app. When you download the Binance app, log into your details here and you'll come and you see something like this. So we are going to like tap on this place. You tap here to take you to this place, and then you're going to tap on deposit now. Let's tap on deposit now. When you tap on deposit now, you have to search for USDT because that's what we want to use to withdraw. So this is it right here, USDT. So we tap on it. When we tap on the USDT, we have to look for TR20, TRC20. So this is what we are going to do. So we tap on this. When we tap on this, it's going to take us to this place where we have to copy this ID. This is the ID that we're going to impute to bind our wallet in Nikilive app. So let's copy it. Let's copy it. When you copy it, you exit the app. Then you come to Nikilive. You come to Nikilive. Go to where you have the withdraw. Okay, so you're gonna add your payment method. You're going to tap using USDT TR20, TRC20. So tap on bind. Then you tick on this place here. You tick here. Don't forget to tick here. Then you enter the address you just copied. When you do that, you submit. When you put it, you confirm. Immediately you confirm it has been successfully bind, and you can always change it if you want to change it. So if you want to withdraw, you have to have $10 for you to withdraw. It's just like poppo, where the limit here says is $10 before you are allowed to withdraw. So that's basically how to bind your USDT and how to create and bind your USDT account for you to withdraw if epay wallet is not working out for you. So make sure you leave a like on this video if you know this video has helped you, and also do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this, and send me wonderful comments and share these videos to friends. Thanks guys, I'll be seeing you in my next video.